Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to turn on chat message notifications on Messenger on your PC with the new update. So let's jump right into it. The first step is to open your Messenger account on your PC. Once you're logged in, you'll see your list of chats on the left-hand side of the screen. Next, find the chat that you want to turn on notifications for and open it. This could be a one-on-one chat with a friend, a group chat, or even a chat with a business or organization. Once you have the chat open, look for the contact info at the top of the chat window. Click on the Unmute Notifications option to turn on notifications for that specific chat. And that's it. You've successfully turned on chat message notifications for that particular chat on Messenger on your PC. This new update makes it easier than ever to stay on top of your messages and never miss an important chat again. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials on all things tech. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.